Hey guys, got a 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 300. I'm gonna change out this turn signal bulb. So you see it on the right side, it blinks, and then on the left side it just stays on. You got this front one on, and the rear one isn't. Well, I took out the bulb already, but it just stays lit, doesn't blink. So we're gonna change out this bulb. I had to find this bulb. They don't sell it in any auto parts stores or anything. I actually went through Walmart and got it. So this is the part number. All right, so Kawasaki genuine parts. So we're gonna change this out right now. So all we need to change this out is take out this little Phillips head right here. You can see, got a Phillips head. So we're gonna take this out. You're gonna have to hold it with both hands. All right, so once you remove this bolt here, you'll pull this up and slide out. All right, so it's got to release this little clip right here, so it just slides out. So this is the bulb right here. It's very specific to the bike. Like I said, it's really hard to find. I didn't find it in any auto parts store, but with the part number right there, hopefully y'all can, it'll be easier for y'all. But yeah, so all you do is basically push it in and twist. Make sure it's in there, and then check it. And there we go. Hopefully this video helped y'all. I know for me it would have been easier to see someone post a part number for sure. Thanks guys.